Alright, got a 2007 Infiniti G37. Today I'll be showing you guys how to remove the airbag and the steering wheel. First step is you want to disconnect the battery terminals. Now this one you have one and two screws that you need to remove. So this one has a plastic cover. You just need to pry it out with a flat screwdriver. Same on the other side. And then you'll have a, it's a T30 star with a security in it, that thing in the middle. So you'll need this one to remove it, right there. So go ahead and take it off, one and two right here. Once you have that removed, this whole airbag will slide right off, and then you'll have two connectors attached to it, yellow and orange one, which is attached right here. I already took it off. So to remove this, let's see, you need to pry that little metal clip right there. So you need to pry it off from here with a small flap. Pry it off. Same on the orange one. Disconnect it. Disconnect this little wiring harness right here. And then you will have a 19mm nut. By the way, before you remove it, you want to make sure that the steering wheel is aligned, not turned to left or right. I'm going to use an impact gun to remove this. If you don't have an impact gun, you can use a ratchet, but you might need somebody to hold the steering wheel for you, or you can put it, or you can lock the steering wheel so it won't move. Go ahead and slide it off. There you go. There's the steering wheel. That's pretty much all the steps you need to do. Very easy.